Merhabalar, ben Sercan. Welcome back to your Turkish journey. Today, we are diving into the verb sevinmek, a verb that helps you express happiness and joy in Turkish. Let's explore how to use it in different contexts. Sevinmek is an infinitive verb and it is derived from the verb sevmek. Sevinmek is used to mean to be happy, to be glad, to be pleased, and to rejoice depending on the context. And in a sentence, what the speaker is happy about always receives the dative case suffix. This is very important. When you form the sentence using the verb sevinmek, what you're happy about or what you're glad about will always receive the dative case suffix. And there's no rule for this. You should just memorize it this way. Sevinmek is a verb. This means you will need to conjugate it accordingly. When we need to express our current or ongoing state of happiness in Turkish, most of the time the verb sevinmek is conjugated in the known past tense, such as sevindim, sevindim, bu habere sevindim, bu habere sevindim. I'm happy about this news. As you see, sevindim is the known past tense conjugation of the verb. In Turkish, when we talk about the verbs of emotion such as sevinmek, in general, we describe the moment we entered the state of being happy. That is why we use the known past tense conjugation of the verb. I know it sounds interesting, and I'm going to touch this topic once again in the next minutes. Bu habere sevindim. What I am happy about is bu haber. Therefore, bu haber receives the dative case suffix according to the vowel harmony. Bu habere sevindim. Here, bu is a demonstrative adjective and haber is a noun. Bu haber. Another example. Onun başarısına çok sevindik. Onun başarısına çok sevindik. We rejoiced at his or her success. Here, what we are happy about, what we rejoice at is onun başarısı. Onun başarısı is a genitive possessive construction, and this construction receives the dative case suffix according to the vowel harmony. And for that, the buffer letter ne is also necessary. Onun başarısına çok sevindik. Now, let's explore how sevinmek works when the thing we are happy about includes an action or an event. This means what we are happy about includes a verb. But of course, in such a sentence, this verb is nominalized by using nominalization suffixes, also used as subordinating suffixes. There are different suffixes for this purpose in Turkish, which we use to express different meanings. Here are some examples. Mehmet'in geleceğine sevindim. Mehmet'in geleceğine sevindim. I'm glad Mehmet is going to come. Literally, I'm glad about Mehmet's coming. Here, what I'm happy about is Mehmet'in geleceği. Mehmet'in geleceği. This is a genitive possessive construction. Here, the suffix ecek is used for nominalization, and this suffix refers to the future. Mehmet'in geleceği. So, the dative case suffix will be attached to this construction. Mehmet'in geleceğine sevindim. Mehmet'in geleceğine sevindim. I'm happy Mehmet is going to come. Another similar example for comparison. Mehmet'in geldiğine sevindim. Mehmet'in geldiğine sevindim. Here, as you see, this sentence is almost the same with the previous sentence. The only difference is this time dik suffix is used instead of ecek. Both suffixes are used for nominalization, but this time dik suffix refers to the past or present. Mehmet'in geldiğine sevindim means I'm glad Mehmet has come or I'm glad Mehmet is coming. But at the end, as usual, what the speaker is happy about receives the dative case suffix because the verb sevinmek requires it attached to its oblique object. Here are some additional examples. Seni gördüğüme sevindim. I'm glad to see you. Benden haber aldığına çok sevinmiş. Apparently, he or she is so glad to hear from me. Sizinle tanıştığıma çok sevindim. I'm very happy to meet you. Yolculuğunun sorunsuz geçmesine sevindim. I'm glad that your journey went smoothly. Telefonumun tamir edilebilmesine çok sevindim. I'm very glad that my phone could be repaired. Previously, we talked about using için to express reason and result. And için is also used commonly with the verb sevinmek. In those sentences, sevinmek is basically the result of a reason. Because of that, you can form those sentences using için. Now, I'm going to give you two examples of the same sentence. One of them will be using için, so you can visually see the difference. But for more details, check the relevant video. Seni gördüğüme sevindim. I'm glad to see you or I'm glad to have seen you. Seni gördüğüm için sevindim. I'm glad because I saw you. Annemin geleceğine sevindim. I'm glad my mom will come. Annem geleceği için sevindim. I'm glad because my mom will come. During the daily conversations, you may also hear the present continuous tense conjugation of the verb sevinmek, such as seviniyorum, seviniyorum, in comparison to sevindim, which is like entering the condition of being happy. Seviniyorum expresses the condition of being happy, the state of happiness. Apart from their definition, they are mostly used interchangeably. Therefore, it is possible and also common to say, bu habere çok sevindim and bu habere çok seviniyorum. Annemin geleceğine sevindim and annemin geleceğine seviniyorum. We have explored how to use sevinmek in many different ways, from basic sentences to more advanced constructions using nominalization, for example. There are certainly other sentence structures using it, and there are definitely many other ways how we express happiness. Now it is your turn. You can form your own sentences using the verb sevinmek. I would love to see them. Görüşmek üzere. See you in the next videos.